Hello dear students, welcome back to our video series once again. This is Srihari sir, and in this video lecture we are going to get information about life on earth. And in this video you will get information about the formation process of the earth. And second point, we will learn about the beginning of the life on the earth. So first of all, we will discuss about the formation of the earth. Just like we all know that our earth is a unique planet. So what is meant by the unique planet? Unique planet means the planet which is different than other planets. Our earth is called a unique planet. Then what are the reasons to call it as a unique planet? Because we can find the life on the earth. What is meant by the life? The life means we can find the living organisms on the earth, just like animals and vegetations, means flora and fauna. The existence of flora and fauna, it makes the unique planet of our earth. And the another example, our earth is a unique planet, that is may be called because of the existence of the atmosphere on the earth. So what is meant by the atmosphere? This may be the question in front of us. So atmosphere means the layer of air. Repeat after me. Atmosphere is the layer of air. So atmosphere means the layer of air, means around the surface of the earth we can find the layer of air, and this make the surrounding of atmosphere around the earth. These two reasons make our earth as a unique planet. Now there may be the question in front of you that how the earth is formed, isn't that? How many years it took place to form the earth, and what was the process of formation of the earth, that here we are going to discuss now. So my dear student, get ready to get the information. Many scientists research that, and after the using of scientific research methods, scientists came to the conclusion that around 4.5 billion years ago, I repeat, around 4.5 billion years ago, there was an enormous cloud of hot gases and the dust particles. The cloud of hot gases and dust particles which was spinning in the space with high speed. Around 4.5 billion years ago, there was a huge cloud which was made up of hot gases and dust particles, and it was spinning with high speed in the space, and with the period of time it divided into several particles and small and large pieces. The small and large pieces became the planets afterwards, and some big particles which were very hot, that become the sun. So in this way, that huge cloud of hot gases and dust particles convert into the solar system. Some particles become the sun, and some particles become planet, and our earth is one of those planets. This is also known as the Big Bang theory, my dear student. And these planets were including several planets, just like there are total 8 planets. To learn these planets, I made a trick that you can find in our videos, but here I will say the names of that planet, just like Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, then Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn, and then Uranus, and then Neptune. These are the 8 planets. And our sun, the sun is the biggest source of energy to us. My dear student, this was the process of formation of the earth. मतलब 4.5 बिलियन ईयर्स पहले क्या था, एक बहुत ही बड़ा क्लाउड था जो डस्ट पार्टिकल से और हॉट गैसेस से बना था, और इतना तेजी से वो स्पेस में स्पिनिंग करता था With the period of time, it divided into several pieces, and those pieces converted into the planets and the sun. And in this way, our Earth is formed. Now we will discuss about the second topic of this video lecture, that is the beginning of the life on the Earth. मतलब इस अर्थ पे, इस प्लैनेट पे जीवों की उत्पत्ति कैसे हुई? To learn that, we must understand that after dividing from the huge gases, huge cloud of gases, these particles were divided and separated from that. Those were very hot, and it took near about 80 crore years to cool down. 80 crore सालों के बाद ये जो पार्टिकल्स है ये ठंडे हो गए, and after cooling down the water bodies and vegetations are formed on the planet. My dear student, इसका मतलब 80 करोड़ ईयर्स के बाद पानी, वनस्पतियां और ऐसा चेंज हमारे अर्थ के ऊपर देखने को मिला. एंड विच वेर द ऑर्गेनिजम्स विच वेर फाउंड ऑन द अर्थ at the beginning time. That organisms were called as the protozoa. You can see the figure here. Protozoas were the organisms which were firstly found, means first appeared organisms, and these organisms were appeared in the water bodies. So first appear organism, that was known as the protozoa, and where they were appeared in the water bodies. Slowly they developed, and the feature of these protozoas were, these were unicellular organisms. Unicellular means there was only one cell in those organisms. एक पेशी से ये जीव बने थे, and afterwards with the period of time multicellular organisms became, and the process of organism, formation of organism started on our Earth. Another feature of these protozoas, these protozoas we cannot see through our naked eyes. If we want to see these protozoas, then we need to take the help of microscope. The microscope is a tool which helps us to observe the microscopic organism through our naked eyes. Without microscope we cannot see, because the size and shape of this organism is very small. The smallest size make disappear. We think that those are disappear, but those can be appeared after the use of microscope. So this was the process of formation of the life on the earth. एक पेशीय जीवों से फिर बहुपेशीय जीवों की उत्पत्ति हुई है, माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. सो इस वीडियो में हमने देखा है कि अर्थ की उत्पत्ति कैसे हुई, उसके पीछे कौन सी थ्योरी थी, और जीवों की उत्पत्ति कैसे हुई. आई होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड. सो फॉर टुडे दिस मच ओनली. थैंक यू.